Sweetest Day, meaning Sweetest Day, is an informal holiday in celebration of friendship, love, and kindness, and giving candy to loved ones and friends. It is somewhat similar to, but much less well known than Valentine's Day. The focus of Sweetest Day is broader, extending beyond the romantic relationships that have traditionally been the primary focus of Valentine's Day. Some interpret Sweetest Day as being a day to give sweets and gifts to boyfriends and husbands, since they consider Valentine's Day to be traditionally focused on women as the recipients of such things. Due to the role of candy manufacturers in the creation, popularization, and promotion of the day, more on that in the next section, it is sometimes criticized as an artificial holiday. Such holidays are sometimes referred to as Hallmark holidays in reference to the greeting card company Hallmark and its promotion of lesser-known holidays to sell cards. Sweetest Day is primarily celebrated in the Midwest region of the U.S., but is also observed in other areas.